Welcome back to 5 Minute English Talk. I'm Stacy.
And I'm Bruce. Before we jump in, let's remind you why this show is just 5 minutes. Learning a language doesn't have to be overwhelming. In fact, research shows that short daily practice is far more effective than long, heavy study sessions.
Exactly. 5 minutes may not sound like much, but every time you listen, repeat, and try these phrases, you're building your skills little by little. And if you stay consistent, that 5 minutes adds up to real fluency.
And today, in just 5 minutes, we're talking about a phrase that almost everyone loves to hear. Thank God it's Friday. TGIF.
People usually say TGIF at the end of the work week. It's a way to celebrate the start of the weekend, a time to relax, recharge, and enjoy life.
Exactly. Friday feels like freedom. After 5 days of work or study, it's time to smile, breathe, and look forward to the weekend. Here are some natural ways people use it. TGIF, I'm so ready for the weekend. Thank God it's Friday. This week was exhausting. Friday night is the best night. No work tomorrow.
And sometimes people say it in shorter, fun ways. Finally, Friday. Weekend vibes. Happy Friday, everyone. Let's practice together. Repeat after us. Thank God it's Friday. TGIF. Finally, it's the weekend.
Here's something interesting. The phrase TGIF became so popular that there are restaurants, songs, and even movies that use it. It's become part of global culture, not just English.
And weekends aren't just about rest. They're also a chance to spend time with family, meet friends, try new hobbies, or simply recharge for the week ahead.
Let's see how a natural conversation sounds like.
Bruce, how are you feeling today?
Thank God it's Friday, Stacy. I've been waiting for Friday all week.
Same here. Do you have any plans?
Yes, I'm meeting some friends for dinner. How about you?
I'm just staying in and watching movies. Relax time.
Sounds perfect. That's the beauty of Friday. You can do whatever makes you happy.
See, it's easy. When you practice, you can also start using them in your day-to-day conversations like a native speaker.
Now it's your turn. Here's today's challenge. Think of 3 ways to say you're happy it's Friday. For example, thank God it's Friday. Finally Friday, time to relax. I'm so ready for the weekend. Say them out loud right now.
Life is busy, and every week has challenges. But Friday reminds us that we've made it through. Celebrate your small wins, recharge your energy, and step into the weekend with a smile.
And that's it for today's 5 Minute English Talk. We hope you enjoyed learning about Thank God It's Friday. And before we go, here's a thought. English learning is like the weekend. It's something to look forward to. Even small, daily steps bring joy and progress. So keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep celebrating your journey. See you next time, and happy Friday.